Alright, my friends, this is our last review of equivalent fractions before you take your quiz. So, please make sure that you're on the same side as me, so it should be from the video, and we're on number 1. Alright, so which of the following fractions is equivalent to 2 over 8? So I'm going to put a star above 2 over 8, because 2 over 8 is a fraction I'm comparing everything to. Now, we know that we can do an algorithm or we can do fraction bars. So I'm going to demonstrate both, and you can choose the one that works best for you. If you're getting all the right answers using the algorithm, good for you! Clap, clap. If you're getting all the right answers using the fraction bars, good for you. Clap, clap. Either one is fine. Alright, so first I have my fraction bar, 2 over 8, because that's the fraction I'm comparing, right over here, and 1/2. Okay, so on top I'm going to cut eighths. Make sure to drag that halfway down so that I don't lose where it's supposed to be. I'm going to shade in 2 over 8 and 1 over 2. Are they equivalent? Nope. If I had done the algorithm, 1 times what equals 2 times 2. 2 times what equals 4 times 4. Do they match? Nope. Still wrong. Alright, new color, B. So if you are not where I am, please get to where I am. Okay. Make sure you have one strategy to prove it. Alright, our first fraction is 2 over 8 because obviously that's the main fraction, and 1 over 4. Alright, cut it in half. Oh, but for fourths I need halves, so I'm going to do that. Cut each half in half. Oh, but for fourths I need that, so I'm going to copy it. And on top I'm going to cut it into eighths. On the bottom I'm going to keep it fourths because we have 4, 4, 4, 4. And I'm going to shade in 2 over 8 and 1 over 4. Oh my gosh, they look equivalent. Let's see if my algorithm matches. Oh, so I'm going from a small number to a big number. So make sure your arrow goes this way. 4 times what equals 8? Times 2. 1 times what equals 2? Times 2. Beautiful. So that looks like the answer, but I want to disprove the others. C, in orange. I'm running out of room. I hope you're not. Okay. 2 over 8, 4 over 8. Oh my god, 8's the same denominator, so I can just cut down the middle, cut each into fourths, cut each fourth in half. On top I'm shading 2, bloop, bloop. On the bottom I'm shading 4, bloop, 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 bloop. Are they equivalent? No way. Let's try with the algorithm. 2 over 8 equals 4 over 8. 2 times what equals 4? Times 2. 8 times what equals 8? Times 1. Do they match? No way. Alright, I'm going to squeeze in, oh, I already used red. Poo. Green. Okay, 4D. Oh my gosh, Miss Yao, so ugly. Okay, 2 over 8 and 6 over 8. OMG, the denominators are the same. Cut it in half, follow that half. Cut it in fourths, follow that fourth. Cut it in fourth, follow that fourth. Cut it in eighth, follow that eighth. Whew, what a whirlwind. Alright, on top, shade in 2 eighths. Bloop, bloop. On the bottom, shade in 6 eighths. Bloop, 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 bloop. Wait, that's 5. Bloop. That is, are they equivalent? No way. So 2 over 8 equals 6 over 8. 2 times what equals 6? Times 3. 8 times what equals 8? Times 1. Do they match? No way. So my answer is B. What I expect to see is some form of this work. Either the algorithm or your fraction bar. I apologize if I went quickly. We can pause the video right now and make sure that your work matches mine. Alright guys, so let's take a look at number 2. So this one's a little bit different. We have we have 4, 1, 2, oh, that pen is not working, 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of fractions, and each of them have 3. So we need to figure out which of them are all equivalent, okay? So, the trick to this is not to use the algorithm, because some of the fractions that we've learned are equivalent, but you can't really use the algorithm for them. So remember that we have our base fractions of 1/2, 2/4, 3/6, 4/8. 1/2, 2, 6, 3, wait, nope, wrong. 1/2, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4/8. 1/2, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4/8. Whew, what a tongue twister. Alright. So I'm going to look for those fractions in this. Okay, so I see one, I don't see 1/2, but I see 2/4, 4/8, and 3/6. This one, I don't see any of them. Meh. This one, I see 4/8 and nothing else. And this one, I see 4/8 and nothing else. So I have a feeling that it's probably A. But before I select that as an answer choice, it would be silly of me to not prove it. So please draw your triple fraction bar right on your paper. I will pause and let you do it now. Okay, hopefully it's drawn. If it's not, catch up. Alright, circle all of your denominators. On top, we have fourths, so we know we need a halfway mark. Oh my god, we need eighths and sixths? Okay, we'll just make that half my mark all the way down. Swoop! Beautiful. Okay, so on top we have fourths, so we know to split each half in half. Now we have eighths. So I know I can just copy the fourths, boom, boom, and then cut each fourth in half. Now for sixths, that's a little different. I can't really copy the fourth, and I can't really copy the eighth. So it's going to have to do its own thing by splitting each half into thirds. Repeat after me. My eighths should not match my sixths, except for the halfway mark. Okay, so now I'm going to shade in 2/4. Bloop, bloop. 2/4. 4/8, bloop, 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 bloop. Beautiful. And 3/6, bloop, bloop, bloop. Excellent. So are they equivalent? Yes, absolutely. Now, on the test, if this doesn't work for you and you want to test out this fraction, and this fraction, by all means, write A over here. And then for the other ones, write B and C and etc. And then have your fraction bars. This is a mini version drawn for each one. That is totally fine. All right. Please flip your paper over to the answer ticket. There's only 3 problems. Oh my gosh. You're going to try your best. You're going to show your work, whether it's the algorithm or the fraction bar. And you will turn it into Ms. Yao. If you get all 3 correct, you will get a treat when, I won't be there next day, on Monday. Lovely.